Hey Joe, what are we doing?
We are working on this POS Escalade. Just trying to get the transmission out.
Frickin' Escalades. Oh, hey guys, we are in the shop today playing with an Escalade. Got the transfer case out, some exhaust. We are now gonna pull this tranny because the tranny is busted. So we decided to tag team it and get as much of this done tonight. It's what, 9:30 right now at night.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to get this out, get the other new rebuilt one that's out in the back of his truck brought in, and yeah.
Gotta get this started.
What am I doing working on a freaking Chevy? I don't know. I'm not a Chevy guy. Some of you guys might be Chevy people. Good for you. I'm not one of those people, but I seem to work on them all the time. But I do work on a ton of Fords. So anyway, we are, so this leads me to a question that I'm gonna ask you guys, and I want you guys to leave your comments below. So the Fox right here, obviously any guys that have built a car know it's a little expensive. It's not the cheapest thing in the world to do, especially if you want to make it nice, new parts, yada yada. You can spend a couple $1,000s really easy just trying to do the simple restoration stuff. The question that I have for you guys is, what do you do for your Mustang money? And what I mean by Mustang money is, do you guys have side jobs, side businesses? What's your side hustle to earn some money for your race cars, for your Mustangs, for whatever sports cars you guys are in? This is my hustle. I do a lot of side jobs. I do work a full-time job as a mechanic. So I do spend a lot of time out in the shop. I've been trying not to lately. Just been super busy trying to do my YouTube. That's another side hustle I'm trying to get going, is the YouTube. So anyway, this is my side hustle. We're gonna get going on this so I can make money for this. And by the way, I did get some parts, some more stuff done. Got door handles on. Gotta be able to see your hand. Make sure it's pushed all the way down, I think. Oh dang, it's on there. Alright, ready? Ready? I got a shot all over the door. Get a radar. I guess you probably don't want to use paper towel, huh? Nah. Hey look, he has a door handle. It wins.
And still can't get in this car.
Well, not until you hook it up. Should we go do the other one?
Yeah.
While we're at it?
Might as well. Let's go put another mark on your other door.
More interior pieces in. I got the seat brackets in. Cleaned some more parts. Got some parts hanging and painting. But this is the focus for now. So we'll do a quick, I won't linger on this too long, but we'll sit here and watch Joe work.
Sounds like fun.
So I don't have to. I just make the YouTube videos and he hangs out. So anyway, Joe's been a good long time friend of mine. We were actually neighbors for a little while. Kind of became friends. He likes cars, I like cars. His choice of cars is not very good. Been trying to talk him into Fords forever. For some reason, he keeps buying GM products. Not sure why, but anyway, can't judge him too bad. He's paying me to help him get this transmission done. So yeah, yeah, you definitely are.
crap.
I,
We gotta talk about
oh, you about died.
that. I know.
Dang.
Good thing we're cat
Woo.
reflex.
Yeah, I wouldn't be here at 9:30 at night on a Thursday night if I didn't have to be. And I bought this from a guy at a body shop, had a bad motor. He rebuilt the motor. I didn't help him too much on that, which is good. And then got it all done, and one of those things, you buy a turd, it probably ends up being a turd that, what, you drove it for
150 miles on the new motor. It's not even broken in yet.
to the transmission went out. Well, I don't know if he did it or if it was already on the way out.
Time to make it my daily. Start put less miles on my LBZ Duramax.
Who cares what an LBZ is? I mean, come on, let's be real
Oh,
here.
come on.
You don't hear Ford. Oh, my LBZ TYF Power Stroke. You don't ever hear that. It's a Power Stroke.
Low mileage LBZ, all right?
Yeah, it's a nice truck. He does have a nice truck. I give him a hard time. Guys, I want to do a giveaway on this video because, one, we're working on a Chevy or a GM, whatever you guys want to call it. Still POS. Sorry, Chevy GM guys that are watching.
I drive LBZ Duramax. It's okay.
Yeah, he drives. Well, it'll be in here next, I'm sure.
Oh, whatever.
I need you to like this video. I need you to subscribe to the channel if you're not already. And also, I need you to comment. And the comment I'm going to have you do is, what is your side hustle? What do you do to make extra money for your sports car? If you don't do anything, just put you don't do anything. And then one last thing, tell me what city and state you're from, or state. I want to see where my viewers are at. So anyway, this is what I got for you. I know it's not too crazy. I'm a little channel. Really small, but I thought it'd be kind of fun to give away, give back to you guys a little bit as I can. So this is a Shelby GT350 poster. Thought I'd give one away. I got a couple extras, so I thought maybe you guys would like one. I'll put it in a tube and mail it to you, mail the winner. How I'm gonna do it, I will take whoever comments on my video. I'll write it all down, put it in a hat and draw. Maybe I'll have Britton draw on my next video. So anyway, like, subscribe, comment, and get a chance to win a quick poster. And like I said, right out of my personal collection of Ford stuff. So thanks guys.